I request all my teachers to please come over the stage for the formal introduction with the parents. Please, teachers.
Start yourself.
Let's start with myself. I am Shipra Srivastav. I am working as a CGC English over here, and I am working as academics coordinator as well. So now let's start with our kindergarten teacher.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज मेरा नाम विनीता है। मैं विद्यालय में टीजीटी हिंदी की अध्यापिका हूँ। मैं टीजीटी हिंदी एंड संस्कृत की अध्यापिका हूँ। साथ ही मैं को करिकुलर इंचार्ज भी हूँ।
Good morning everyone. My name is Shivangi Chauhan. I am a kindergarten teacher and I am also a jodi of kindergarten.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nishita Mittal. I am a LKG teacher.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hanina Rutra. I am a kindergarten teacher over here. Good morning everyone. My name is Neha Saxena. I am a support kindergarten teacher. Good morning. I am Soumya Sharma. I am support teacher kindergarten. Good morning once again to all of you. My name is Divya Malhotra and I will be taking EVS and Science of Class 6 and also I am the class teacher of Class 6. Thank you once again. Good morning everyone. I am Renju Sharma and I am class teacher of Class 7. Thank you.
What subjects do you like? You never said what subjects you take.
And I am taking maths and science.
Good morning everyone. My name is Snehha Gupta and I am teaching science teacher here and I am in the new academic session. I am the class teacher of class 7 and I take the science of class 7, 8 and 9 students. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Poonam Gimra. I am a counter teacher of this school and this year I will be the class teacher of class 1 and I will take all the subjects in class 1.
Mother teacher, mother teacher. That's what it is.
Yeah, I am a mother teacher of class 1 and I will take all the subjects of your work. Thank you very much.
Good morning all of you once again. I am Shivani Khan. I am a librarian. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shweta Jaswal. I am a computer teacher here.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sayyid Abdul Samad. I am working here as a sport teacher. Thank you. Have a nice day.
All the teachers are required to come over here.
Shivangi Dixit is not there.
Hello. Good morning everyone. My name is Jiten Kumar Sharma. Here I am working as a TGT Maths.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dilip Kumar Abhilashi. Here I am TGT sport teacher. My profession is taekwondo, yoga, volleyball and skating also. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now our few teachers are still remaining because they went for the team. But